Hey guys, it's PC911. Going to show you guys today a LCD change on an iPhone 6. I'm going to start off by taking our pentalobe, taking the two screws at the bottom off, put those to the side. We're going to grab our suction cup, place it right in the middle of the screen. We're going to lift it just a little bit. Take our spudger and unclip it. Take the suction cup off. We're going to go ahead and open our screen up. We're going to take off these 5 screws. Make sure you put these in the same order that they are taken out of. Put those to the side as well. Let's remove our plate. Put that to the side as well. And with our spudger, we're going to go ahead and disconnect these 4 flex cables. Alright, there we've got our board, we've got our screen. Let's go ahead and connect our new screen just to make sure it works. Everything is working alright. Let's turn our device on. Alright, so now the screen is working. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Alright, so we've tested the screen, we've turned the device off, and now we've got to unplug the flex cables. Take our spudger and do that again. Alright, we're going to go ahead and set this to the side. And we're going to get our screen ready. So, basically you're going to start off by taking the top 3 screws that go to the camera, ear speaker, proximity sensor. I'm going to go ahead and remove those and place them exactly how we took them off. Take this plate off as well. We're going to lift our camera, take our speaker box out, put this right here, and take our tweezers, and we're going to lift this off. Set this to the side. Alright, now that we've got that taken out, we're going to go ahead and take out these 7 screws. There's 3 and 3, and one right here.
Where's the paperwork for these guys? Paperwork for this guy? You give it to him?
I don't know.
Yeah, no, this stuff stay together. Device and ticket. I never gave you the paperwork?
No, I think it stayed in the front. No, yeah, you're right. You did give it to me. Now that we've got those 7 screws taken out, we're going to go ahead and remove the home button screws and plate.
Alright, so this is going on the computer, do his ticket, and then we give him a call.
To remove the home button, you press the button up.
So, sorry to ask you, and the sidekick, what's your plan on
Alright,
this?
to remove the home button, you're going to go ahead and push the button up. There's a little bit of adhesive around. We're going to go ahead and disconnect it right here. Lift and remove. Set to the side. Next, you're going to remove the home button flex cable. Normally I like to use a little bit of heat. We can go ahead and put this to the side since we are done using that screen and get our new screen started. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and get started on setting up our new screen. We're going to go ahead and remove this back part. We're going to start by placing this back plate and installing our 7 screws.
So you see the same thing that's going to be removed? And all the connections of all the devices now, they're all all the new things and all this going to be, your TV standpoint, what you got 2, 3, or 4.
We're going to go ahead and position the flex cable and fix our cables up here. Next, we're going to place our home button. Going to go ahead and connect that and put our plates on. I'm going to turn this around, remove this adhesive cover, and place our earpiece. Next, we're going to ear speaker. Our camera in its place and cover it up. Alright, let's bring our device back. Now that we've got everything installed, make sure that the button clicks. Let's go ahead and install our 4 flex cables. Take our plate Let's go ahead and put our 5 screws that we put away earlier back on. Let's go ahead and close this up. And lastly, our last 2 screws, which will be our pentalobes. Thank you guys for watching.